A pretty strong rally we are seeing here in the equity markets in reaction to this morning's jobs report, much better than expected. Let me get straight to market makers anchor Stephanie Ruhle. She's standing by at Cantor Fitzgerald with the firm's co-head of U.S. equity trading, William Nichols. Stephanie?
I am. Bill and I are here now. Bill, I know volume has gone up in terms of noise in the room, but are you actually seeing trading off of this number?
Not so much yet. I think volumes are still a little bit compressed. People are still thinking about the two things, which is an impending election and also problems in Europe. So I think while volumes have increased a little bit over earnings season, this number I don't think is going to drive a significant uptick in volume.
What is it going to take to get your clients, to get investors back in the market full force? Would we have needed a significantly better number than this? I mean, there's still major economic problems in the world.
Well, I think these numbers get revised over time, so one number doesn't have that sort of big impact. And I think if you get several numbers like this over the course of several months, then yes. But I think the reality is until you get clarity out of Europe and then, through the election season in November, that will get investors sort of back to seeing more clarity. When there's more clarity, they feel comfortable about getting back in.
Do you like U.S. equities here?
I do. Long term, I like them. Short term, some challenges perhaps. I think we're in a range. The futures rallied on the number today. They were up 12. They went to up 16. I think they're up 14 now as we speak. So, the reality is it's a better number, but, I don't think we're doing cartwheels yet. With the S&P, 1370, 75, if you get through 1420, then you're talking, but that's going to be some heavy lifting to get through there.
Let's talk about the last 2 days, the trading disaster that went on at Knight Capital. What did that mean for you? Did you have an increase in trading yesterday because clients were looking to move their business from Knight to, let's say, Cantor?
Maybe a slight uptick in volume. Nobody ever likes to see anything like that happen. For the grace of God, could happen to anyone. So, it's just one of those sort of bad luck events.
You don't think investors are going to lose confidence trading single stocks and want to get out of the business?
I don't think so, because at the end of the day, people are investing in companies, and if you're buying a company at a good price, it's a long-term investment that still will stand the test of time. Short-term glitches in the market, I think we have to look at it. Perhaps slow things down. The advent of electronic trading, maybe we get a little more human interest, but humans can make mistakes as well. So, maybe some kind of slight slowing down in the market, but that's going to take a long time to get through the regulators. So.
Do you think we are going to go more to specialists, voice trading again? Because it's been all about electronic for the last 5 years.
I don't think you can get away from electronics, but the one thing you can do is maybe have a single central marketplace so that if there is dislocation, you can stop trading in it. I think if you have multiple points and multiple programs, you're still going to have dislocation, but just maybe have parameters set in. So if things move a certain percentage, you stop trading, let people regroup. Do the orders, are the orders really supposed to be there? Check with the counterparty. If you're seeing, if you're seeing all these sell orders line up, have some ability to stop it. There are circuit breakers in place. Maybe we look to tighten those.
Thanks. That's Bill Nichols, co-head of equities here at Cantor Fitzgerald. He's not doing cartwheels over the market, and he's not afraid of this Knight Capital trading glitch. It could happen to anyone. It could happen to anyone. It could happen to anyone. It could happen to anyone.
Stephanie, thank you very much. And coming up next.